So I thought I'd go ahead and do some assembly work here to start to put the unit back together. And I think the first thing I want to do is get the bottom on that's got the motherboard in it. This assembly right here. It should be fairly simple to get back in. I think literally it's just line up the screws and screw it into place. There will be a little bit of work around that keyboard cable. And of course, the stuff I have stacked on the bench sticks out just enough to make this problematic. Yeah, we're not lined up well. Maybe I should connect the keyboard cable next. Oh, this is where the system becomes clumsy really quick with the keyboard attached. Let me slide this all around. So it has to go on in a particular orientation. Remember this being hard to get apart. That looks to be on correctly to me. I believe the cable runs off in that direction. I think I'm going to start a screw on this side. To just try to maintain a little bit of alignment over here. It will not be tightened up. It'll just be started. And then we will flex this kind of all down into place. Again, working to line up a screw. Start the 4 screws over on this side. I really don't remember how this cable, I know it was wire tied, and I'm pretty sure it was wire tied to this right here. And that must be the screw for the ground. As always, I should have paid a little bit more attention to what screw came out of where. I wonder why my bag of wire ties isn't sitting where it's supposed to be. Because I can answer that by saying nothing's ever sitting where it's supposed to be. Okay, that's pretty confusing. Huh. There really are no wire ties up there. What the heck? Oops. Well, at the moment that totally blows. I'm just going to have to be extra careful here. We have down the front here. We have the power cable. We have the video cable. These are keyed. And we have a ground. And that just does not seem right to me.